Now, to begin with, I know you love hauls. Let me share with you what I've gotten from Eastleigh. I was in Eastleigh there today. Like, it's so nice. And then it has a belt. It's flowy, but then chini iko like high-low. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited, and I'll tell you in a bit what makes me so excited in a few. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. I've even forgotten because I haven't vlogged for a week. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So hey, the exciting news is that the camera is now repaired, though it cost me an arm and a, well, not an arm and a leg, but it cost me some money to repair it. I feel the pinch, but at the same time I'm so excited because I get to vlog. I haven't vlogged, as I said, for a whole week, y'all. Do you know what that means? And then last week, the whole of last week, I didn't, well, I did vlog, but I felt so low because the camera was so wasn't working. So hey, ilikuwa inanifanya nisikie vibaya tu sana. And right now I can't find my memory card, which is the other thing. I left it in the sitting room. Now I can't find it. Sijui kwenye wameipeleka. Hey, but all in all, I'm excited, and so yeah, welcome. Now, to begin with, I know you love hauls. Let me share with you what I've gotten from Eastleigh. I was in Eastleigh there today. But y'all, when I tell you things have changed in Eastleigh, things have really changed. Like, bei zimehike almost zote, but I'm excited because I got to buy 3 dresses which I'm in love with. I don't know, I'll share one with you all tomorrow because I'm supposed to wear one tomorrow. The main reason why I went there. And I also got the kids a few items which I'll share with you in a few. But yeah, so let's get into the video. It's evening time. I just got back home. As I said, nimetoka Eastleigh leo, got some few things. Right now it's 7 imefika, so I've gotten here somehow on time. So let me share with you. Let me start with the kids and then share with you mine, as mine are, I'm in love with mine. So yeah, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Now, unfortunately, I didn't get the contacts for these guys because niuko, if you know where Amal is, wingi uko chini, like basement, uko chini, you don't even have time to get contacts za hao watu because they are somehow rude. Hao watu wanakuwaga guy, they speak so rudely. Come on, you need story time for another day. But yeah, let me share with you. I'm excited, really excited. The camera is okay. I have some new clothes. I get to treat myself, and yeah, the kids, well, I got something for Hadi as well. I don't know if I should show you, but let's just get into the video. So I hope the battery will not die on me. But yeah, to start with, I got these 2-piece sets. This is a trouser, and they actually fit them so well. They fit them perfectly. A bit wide, but I don't mind. They fit them perfectly. My kids are tall, so hey, there's this one. It's written queen. It's a 2-piece written queen. The quality is okay. I don't mind the quality because I got them for $7.50. That was wholesale price. As I told you, nimezunguka Eastleigh nikitafuta nguo za watoto. They are there, but they want you to pick like 6 pieces for every design. So I didn't mind kwenye nilikuwa napata, nilikuwa tunanunua. So I got these 2 pieces because I'm so desperate to get them clothes. Saizi nguo zenye wamekuwa nazo, the last time I got them ni kitambo kidogo. I don't even think I vlogged, but ni kitambo kidogo. And then we removed clothes that were either worn out ama ndogo tukapeana. Right now their wardrobes are so empty. So I'm yet to go to Eastleigh, so watch to Gikomba, sorry. Watch out for that video as well. But I got this one. Now to buy, I had to buy 2 ndio niuziwe on a wholesale. So I got a black one. They both fit her so well. and she loves them. We've already removed them from the papers apart from mine because they were trying them on ndio tujue if I couldn't have rested. And also when they see good new things, they are so excited to try them out. So you understand kids and excitement. So yeah, these ones were 1500 like that, zikiwa mbili, 2 sets. And then I got her a few tops. I got her, I think, about 4 tops. Here they are. Now this is the first top. It's a white top, also really nice. I think she loves them. This is a size large, and then and they are from the same shop. There's this pink, same design as the white one, and then we have this. I don't even know why I bought this. I should have gotten a different color, but walikuwa na either white, pink, black or green. So is this even green ama ni blue? There's that, and then finally she has this black top. I like this. And the quality, as I said, this one is an okay price, an okay quality for the price I was getting these ones for, because this one, the 4 tops were 1400, which means one was 350. Like ni wapi utapata nguo ya mtoto moja ama at that price. So I just got 4 of them, and she's sorted. And then huko nje kwa hawkers I got this, it's written body shaping trouser. These ones were going for 650, but I got them for, it's just a normal black trouser. I got them for, how much was it? 600. So I got 2. Now for these ones, in those shops, as I said, kama hizi tops, same shop, nikachukua na 350. Otherwise, if it was just one, it would have gone costed me 500 600. So I got them for 350, and I was okay. So this one is for the smaller one. She's Lila, the big one is Kyla, and yeah, they fit them okay. Well, they are very okay. Mi sina shida na zenyewe, and I'm actually very proud I got these things in Eastleigh because nilizunguka for like 1 hour without getting anything. Ama kwenye nilikuwa naenda walikuwa wananiambia you have to take from 6 pieces every design, but now the prices were really cheap, like 250 for the tops. 250 na uchukue kutoka 6 each design, from medium, from small to 2XL. Like you have to mix, you can take different colors of the same design but different sizes. Mimi siuzi, and I only have 2 children. Now wengine wenye my sister's kids, they are like one is 12, the other one is 13, 12, and then mine 10. The other one is how old? 5, and then now boys. Only wasichana wenye nimecount, they wouldn't fit. Oh, and there's a smaller one who is 1 and some months old. Hizo zingine zingewatoshea, so I just got for my kids. And then my sisters, juu siendagi na wao shopping, they are so caught up when I'm going for shopping. Na siwezi shinda nikiwatumia picha, it takes time. So me, I just got for my child, for my children, to my child. Yeah, this one 600. Now these ones ni nyuma ya Amal, uko nyuma kabisa, the other street, like behind street. These ones, they were very okay. The price that I was getting these ones for, very okay, at 400 bob. So I got Lila this one. It's purplish, and then there's this pink. The designs are the design of the top is the same, but zimeandikwa vitu tofauti. This one it's pinkish, like light pink, and then I have a black one which is a turtleneck. Looks like that. I loved turtlenecks juu ya joto. So this one was also 400. Yeah, because 3 I paid 1200. And now the trouser, and then we have these other trousers. Kwanza hii shop ndio nilienda ambao walikuwa wamenikasirisha, like wananiambia they'll sell me tops at 380 and then wanaanza kuzusha nikiwaambia they made me take 9 tops for both the girls, so 3 and then ikifika time ya kulipa they are adding the price to 500. I'm like, I've taken 9 tops, you've made me take 9, nimechukua 9 cause 3 no LA, and then I had taken for my the youngest cousin who is 1 and some months old. I took 9 tops and then they are refusing. Nikasema mimi siwezi chukua tops na 500 each for 9 tops, that would have been 9k. Na walikuwa wameniambia na 380. I just told them to leave it and then wanaanza kunitusi. Umetufanyisha kazi inakaaje? Sijui nini. Now the same shop, because the mamake, they have like 2 shops I think. Mamake the other side alikuwa amekubali, but when I went to the daughter on this other side na sijui brother ama ni husband and wakakata, so me nikarudi kwa mamake and then I got this ones juu nilikuwa nimezipenda because of the quality. The quality is really nice. This isn't the one yenye sijui inavaliwa inapata mashimo. This is heavier, and this each was going for 500. There's a pink one, she's wearing it, pink inakaa hii, she's wearing it right now, amekatalia. And then a grey one, there's this grey, like really cute, and then they are so big, vizuri, zina stretch vizuri. I love them. So 500 I got 3. Yeah, and then for my cousin, she had asked me to buy her children some clothes, so I only got a jacket for her, for the younger son. Huyo ndiye alikuwa na nini na umuhimu nayo sana. And then the daughter, I'm going to give her this one, apime, and then I'll go back to the shop ndio I get more. So for this jacket, it's really quality. I love that because the quality is really nice. Inakaa hivi, like the material inside, and then wanaishi huko kwenye kuna baridi. See, so this will be so warm. And this one I got it for, it was going for 1800, I bargained to 1450, so nikailipia 1450. Like really warm. Hiyo side ya Amal nyuma kabisa huko kwenye kunauza, kuna nguo za watu wazima, kuna nguo za watu hii, na mainly I think hadi gym ama football, that mall huko ndani. So these ones I'll be taking them to Nakuru tomorrow. I haven't mentioned that tomorrow we are traveling to Nakuru. My sister is graduating, and so we are going there to celebrate with her. So I'll be taking these 2 to my cousin there in Nakuru. So now finally it's my clothes. Let me show you for my husband first before I get into mine. He's been looking for v-necks, and then when I went to Eastleigh I got this v-neck. It's just a plain v-neck t-shirt. Like the quality is so good. This isn't the normal quality. See the quality ni mzito aki hii shati. When I came across it, and then wakanionyesha, wakaniambia, we have this v-neck here. I had to get it because it was so good. The material, the quality, 100. So I got this one for 900 bob. Ilikuwa inauzwa 12, bargained to 900 bob. And then for me, I have 3 dresses that I got. And as I said, I'll share with you how they look, but tomorrow, because I'll have a continuation of this video, I'll show you how the dress will look on me. One of the dresses anyway. So I have 3 dresses. So the first one is this color. The material is really good as well. Iko na ka design hapa juu. Like, oh, I can't wait to rock these ones on Sunday. And then mikono inafika hapa. Like, it's so nice. And then it has a belt. It's flowy, but then chini iko like high-low. Wow, I'm gonna look nice in this color. I'm hoping. I'm hoping. But this one, I went to town. This is the one I'm talking about. I went to town and it was going for 2500, and then I went to Eastleigh, nikaipata na 1500. Like what? Now this one wholesale was going for 1100, I think, 1100. But when you're getting one, they tend to hike the price, so I got it for 1500. And then this one I got it for 1800. In a new mayo 1800, but I'm so okay with it. Wholesale yake ilikuwa inaenda na 1100, but I couldn't get like 6 of the same, so nikachukua tu moja with at 1800. And then I have this one, which is almost the same design as the first one, but this one I got it for 1600. Like, it's so nice. And na vile nimewambia, the material is so good. Looks like this. It has a zipper behind. So nice. I love, look at the color, look at that color. It's gonna compliment me, right? Anyway, I tried it on and it looked very nice on me, so I'll either get a picture and share with you, a video if I get to wear it. But this one, as I said, I wear dresses on Sundays when I'm going to church. I've never gone to church in a trouser, always dresses. Yeah, and they are respectable, and they are, when someone sees you in these dresses, they will be like, wow, okay. And then this one, as I said, this is what I'm excited most about. I'm gonna share a video of me in it tomorrow. And then, oh, I forgot, yesterday evening I passed by Viatu House and then got 2 pairs. I got 2 pairs of sandals. So this is Viatu House. They are online, so you can go and check them out. They have some very nice shoes. That one I recommend 100, and the prices are very okay as well. As I said, Mimi, if I know where I can save, that's where I'll go. So these 2 pairs of sandals that I got, I've been eyeing this Forever 21 sandals so much, so I'm gonna either wear this color or the next color. So this is the rose gold. I'm a gold. Love these sandals. And then I got a black pair of the same sandal. Like, these ones were going for 1200. Ni wapi utapata viatu na 1200 like sandals? I haven't seen anywhere, because prices of sandals are now 1800 at Eastleigh, from 1200 and above. If you're getting 1 pair, it's more expensive. So in town, if you're getting, unless ni zile zenye zinauzagwa for 50 kamukunji ama 250 kamukunji zinakuja kuuzwa around 800 in town, no. But this quality, I can guarantee you. I have had Forever 21 sandals before, and they are really good. So you can go check them out on IG, ama you visit their shop at Stamol. Stamol ni iko Tomboya. Yeah, hapo tu ukishapanda stairs, the first shop on your right, on your left, your shop and you go kwa your left hand. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. What is this?